So how does the Longi S10 compare to the best panels already on the market? Let's put it side by side with two of the biggest names, the AIKO NeoStar 3 and the Eurener NEXA 500 watt bifacial. The AIKO NeoStar 3 is currently available in the UK at 480 watts. The Longi S10 is available at 495 watts and the 500 watt panel will be here next year. The Eurener NEXA is also a 500 watt panel. So they vary slightly, but in most cases you can work out which panel is leading in each category. AIKO and Longi are both Chinese companies, while Eurener is headquartered in Spain. Starting with efficiency, it's fair to say that AIKO is still the winner here. Their all-black panel doesn't go up to 505 watts as Longi's does, however, they've managed to achieve 24.5% efficiency with only a 490 watt panel, which makes you think that they'd be able to get close to 25% efficiency with a 500 watt model. In fact, their non-all-black offering, the NeoStar 3P, does hit 25% for a 500 watt panel. So they're a scratch ahead on efficiency. The Eurener NEXA is a little lower at 23.1%. So in pure front-side performance, Longi and AIKO are level at the top, while Eurener sits slightly behind. This is due to the fact that the Eurener is a TopCon panel and the AIKO and Longi are both all-black contact panels. Next we have temperature coefficient, and this is where the Longi S10 does come up trumps, with a coefficient of minus 0.24% per degree Celsius. The AIKO NeoStar 3S sits slightly behind at minus 0.26%, which is still excellent. The Eurener NEXA is a bit higher at minus 0.29%, so the Longi will maintain slightly better output at higher cell temperatures, particularly on darker roofs that run warmer. Shade mitigation is another area worth focusing on, but it's a bit of a challenge to know whether one panel is better than the other. What I can say is that both the Longi S10 and the AIKO NeoStar 3 have advanced cell-by-cell shade tolerance, so they'll both lose less generation when in shaded conditions, and they should have a smoother generation curve in the real world. Eurener doesn't use this kind of shade mitigation. It relies on standard bypass diodes that isolate the panel into 3 zones. That's still fine in open sunlight, but it's not as strong as under patchy shade. An advantage that the Eurener panel does have is the fact that it's bifacial, meaning the reverse of the panel can generate electricity as well. Now, I've not seen any conclusive real-world tests on this, however, I don't expect that bifaciality makes a huge difference when the panel is mounted on a pitched roof about 16 centimeters off the surface of the roof, because not much light can actually get behind the panel for there to be any extra generation. If you do have a flat roof or a ground-mounted system where the panels are pitched at 15 to 25 degrees off the roof or the ground, then this may well make a big difference because one row of panels will reflect light onto the back of the next row. The Eurener datasheet claims that the bifacial side can add up to 10%. Other bifacial panels on the market talk about an additional gain of up to 30%, but it all depends on the real-world conditions. Price-wise, the Longi does make a strong case. The S10 comes in at around 17.5 pence per watt. The Eurener NEXA is cheaper at about 15 pence per watt, but it's also a less efficient panel without the advanced shade mitigation. The main competitor, the AIKO NeoStar 3, costs around 18.8 pence per watt. That's for the 480 watt model, and typically the price reduces a tad for the higher output models in a range. But either way, the Longi panel is about 5 to 7% cheaper than the NeoStar 3. And this is maybe one of the advantages that Longi has, being the largest panel manufacturer in the world. Overall, the Longi S10 has arrived as a serious challenger. On paper, it's the first proper competitor for AIKO, which has pretty much dominated the market for the past 2 years with more advanced technology. It nearly matches AIKO's efficiency, beats it on heat performance, matches it on shade resilience, and it's slightly cheaper. Both the Longi S10 and the AIKO NeoStar 3 are great choices if you want a pure all-black aesthetic and the absolute top-tier technology. The Eurener is a good value option and a smart choice for commercial or ground-mounted systems that can take advantage of the bifacial gain.